Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. I welcome you all to today's session of mathematics. We are on chapter 7, which is factors and multiples, right? And we have seen about factors. Now it's turn to see about multiples. We saw that the multiples of 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Now, the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are called multiples of 2 as they are obtained by multiplying 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or then 3, the table of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, they are all the multiples of 3. Similarly, for other numbers, you just say their table and you will get the multiples. For 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? All these are multiples. Right? Now see this chart here, you can see that this chart has a lot of detail about the multiples. You can see here for every number, right? Okay. Now, first thing which we observe, 2 is a multiple of 2, that 3 is a multiple of 3, 4 is a multiple of 4. So we can infer upon that every number is multiple of itself, right? See this one, every number is the multiple of itself. Okay. We also observe that 2 is a multiple of 1, 4 is a multiple of 1, 3 is a multiple. So every number is multiple of 1. Right, every number is the multiple of 1. Now let us observe 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Right, we find that 3 is equal to 3. All the other multiples are greater than 3. Similarly for 5, first multiple is equal to 5 and others are greater than 5. So the third and a very vital statistics which we get from this is every number of a number is either greater than or equal to the number, right? So let us do this. Write down the first 6 multiples of 8. We get first 6, 8, 16, 24, 32, then 40 and 48. Right? These are the first 6 multiples. Right? We should next is write down the multiples of 7 which are less than 45. Now multiples of 7 are 7 itself, 14, 21, 28, then 35, then 42, and after that 49, which is greater than 45. So but here the condition is we have to write only those which are less than 45. So this will be the answer, right? And this is how you have to do this exercise, right? Tick yes or no. Is every number a multiple of itself? Yes. Is every number a multiple of a number equal to the number? No. Not every number multiple of a number is equal to the number, right? Now we come to LCM or least common multiple, right? Here you will have to write the multiples of the two, and then the smallest common number will be, suppose the two numbers are, we have to find least common multiple of 4 and 6. So we write 4 here, 6 here, and write down their multiples. So 4 will be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and here will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. Now the common multiples here are, you can see these two are common, and then 24 and 24. Right, then there was 24 and 24. So 12 becomes the common multiple of these, right? 12 will be the LCM. See here, you can see it in this part. In 8, 6, 8, 6, 4, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Here the common is 24. So that will be the LCM. right? See here, you can find these two numbers being the common ones, and 24 is the lowest, so it will be the LCM, right? Now you have to find LCM in this exercise. So for finding LCM of 60 and 84 by the prime factor method, right? You need to divide them and you have to write all the number ones. See, in these two number, in these two, 2, right? In both of them, then there is 3 is also common, but at one place there is 5 and in one place there is 7. So while we will be writing each number once, right, we will see this thing happening here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, similarly here it is done 108 and 120. See, all these numbers here are written here in this part. See, these numbers are there, and then the bottom two numbers are also kept. Okay, now in 7.7 let us see 2 and 5 first 8 multiples, then common multiples. First 8 will be 2, 4, 6 and so on, and then 5, 10, 15. So 10 will be the common multiples, will be only 10, and that will be the LCM also. In 4 and 6 we have already done. Now for the least common multiples, 16 and 48, we write the two in this way. 16 and, let me see the question again, 16 and 48, right? So let us do this. We will write 16, we will write 48. By 2 we get 8, 24. Again by 2 we get 4, 12. Again by 2 we get 2, 6. Again by 2 we get 1, 3, and then by 3 we get 1, 1, right? So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Just do this. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, and 16 3 is 48, right? So the answer here will be 48 on the first one, right? This is how you need to do this entire thing. Okay, I think with that we come to the end of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.